Lemvula enamandla ekhahlameza izitshalo zotamatisi ileyo eyayihambe nesishingishane uEloise nokuguquguquka kwesimo sezulu kunomthelela emikhiqizweni yotamatisi. Umthelela usuyabonakala emigwaqeni yaseGoli. Abathengisi bathi lokho kulimaza inzuzo yabo.
It's very affecting my business because we used to sell them for 4 and it was 5 rand. Now since the tomatoes are up, we are selling them for 10 rand like this. It's affected my profits because now I'm not getting anything here.
Lokhu kulimaza kakhulu ikhikhi kubathengi.
No, man, it's very expensive now. But when we come to them, they also tell us we must go to the market. You buy just that small box for how much? It costs a lot.
We used to buy these tomatoes for 5 rand, but now when you come here, they say it's 10 rand. And you can't even blame them because if you go to these our big shops which are close by, like Pick and Pay shop rights, they are way too expensive.
10 rand for 3. No, it's too much, too expensive. What is wrong?
Intengo yotamatisi isicishe yaphinda kabili njengoba isibize amarandi angama-20 ikilogram elilodwa. Ikhona kodwa inhlantsana yethemba njengoba abakhiqizi botamatisi bethi intengo yawo izoqala ukwehla ngasekuqaleni kwenyanga ezayo.
It's already started to happen. We've already seen a nice increase on the national fresh produce markets. During the crisis, when the tomatoes were at their lowest on the 6 largest markets, there were in the region of 400 pallets on the markets. This morning, if I had a quick look before we spoke, there's 1,200 pallets on the larger markets. So you can see it's already tripled in volume, and we already see that the price has started to correct. But these things take time.
Lokhu angeke kwenze mehluko otheni kubathengi asebevele bengaphansi kwencindezi yezemali ngenxa yokwenyuka kwentengo kapetrol kanye nogesi.